Hello, welcome to the Botanical Night. This is night from October 7 to October 8 in Kyoto, in the campus of Kyoto University. I'm staying here holding the branches of Abelia, or like it recently is proposed, Linnea. Linnea was long considered as a monospecies genus, which has only one species, Linnea borealis, very small creeping plant. But recently, molecular research, at least some of them, suggested to place all these shrubby abelias into Linnea. And then several questions appeared. One of them is very interesting morphological question. How this creeping Linnea shrub, it's not a herb, well, developed out of big shrubby abelias, or maybe it was a reverse process. And look on what is going on with abelia or Linnea in a broad sense right now. Look on these big branches. So this shrub was trimmed, and now several branches went out like runners. So these branches imitate exactly what we see in Linnea borealis, which is a creeping shrub, so it consists only on runners. Imagine that the shrubby part of abelia was reduced, and only this running shoots left. Shoots sometimes will end up with white flowers. So will we receive Linnea borealis, the creeping almost herbaceous shrubs? So this is a way how shrubs of that habit, like Linnea, or maybe cranberry, or maybe dwarf, dogwoods like Cornus canadensis or Cornus wessica, can originate from much bigger ancestors. We saw several examples, and Linnea might be one of them. So these, well, long branches, which probably is a bit of headache for people who trimming abelia, because abelia always try to make these runners, is indication of how they can evolutionary produce this interesting creeping, like microscopic shrub Linnea borealis. Thank you very much.